girlies, welcome back to another video. Today we are cleaning and washing my car today. I did vacuum it at the car wash place, so I didn't really film that too much, but I am getting out the trash here, wiping down the car and stuff, because it's finally a nice day here in Ohio. And plus, this was, when I was filming this was like the start of my vacation that I took from work. But yeah, just wanted to have a nice clean car out. Want to try to keep my car nice and clean since it's a new to me car. Ever since the poor deer that took out my Jeep. But I love this car, my Escape. I love her. She's a great little car, and plus my daughter is obsessed with Stranger Things right now, which has me obsessed with Stranger Things. So we kind of put some Stranger Things stuff in the car, and well, originally her name is Suzy Q, but my daughter likes to call her the Squawk now. She doesn't make any noise, it's just the license plate frame that I have on the back of my car. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and if this is your first time here, I hope you will stick around and watch this video and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you to join my little YouTube family. And yeah, let's just get to watching.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, I really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we
seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures, I can tell you look more than okay. Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
I'm staying out on the weekends. I really need something to do. I'm just trying to smile when all I can think of is you. Yeah, I'm just faking my way through the days to avoid that feeling I get when I'm lonely and I'm missing you. Wish you could tell me what I should do now.
It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. 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 Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts, I should've known. It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody. When you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
Somebody.
I'm sorry I let you down. I said some things that I never should have said, and I know you're hurting, but I've been somewhere else. I closed my eyes and all I ever saw was her, and my head was burning. And it's not okay, it's not alright, but I can't take it back. I just tried to feel something I only felt when we started drinking. I know it isn't fair, 'cause I've been selfish and I wasn't thinking, 'cause I still loved someone else. I just tried to feel something that wasn't there, no, 'cause you were never mine, I was never yours. I'm so sick of hiding it. My heart's not in it, and I don't think it's ever been. And I'm tired of fighting. Can hate that I've been lying for all of these years. You asked me all about her, and I said you got nothing to fear, that I'd let her go. And it's not okay, it's not alright. I held you close when I was down, but honestly honestly, it was always gonna be somebody else. I just tried to feel something I only felt when we started.
Alright, this is about the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. It was just a short little clean my car video. So again, if you are new here, I hope you hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys!
Feel something that wasn't there, no. 'Cause you were never mine, I was never yours. I was never yours. No, I was never yours.